So I take this opportunity to introduce myself as well as the organization. Myself, being with the heading the Bawal works of ISGEC Limited, where we manufacture chemical presses and hydraulic press brakes. I being here, I will introduce to Mr. Singh, who is heading our marketing division. And we have displayed hydraulic press brake and the chemical one press here, which is the smallest press which we are manufacturing. Presses of capacity of 7,500 tons, which are hydraulic, and some other works. And similarly, the mechanical presses of 3,500 tons capacity. And the random lines also presses, what is the capacity? At Bawal, we are manufacturing presses up to 500 tons, which is the gap frame presses, single point, chemical presses, straight sided, single point, and double point. Similarly, we are making some presses for the special application, like ring frame presses, on presses, and now we have recently started hydraulic presses, hydraulic press brakes presses, right? Have plan to extend it further the same metal lines. Like we are introducing the decoiler speed line interface and the high speed presses option. Yeah, our experience this year is really good at the engineering. Although we have noticed that the footfall is really good, but may not be that good for the metal forming industry. But for the metal and cutting industry is definitely very fair. And with this price, the application price also, we have point there's a vast usage, like there's a dedicated area for the forging and the casting industry. And not a broken different. It's a series that also displayed these. From a distance, it's a little you can go down a little louder. Since this people like to say like those two rows. Okay, please repeat it. At present, we know that India is one of the countries which is growing at the fastest rate. Because GDP may not be number one in the world as on date, but we expect that at least by 2050 we are going to touch the top. Means we will be the number one. And today also we have crossed that most of the developed world and only two countries are ahead of this and one Asian country. And this gives us the activation like engineering, gives the manufacturer of the Indian manufacturer the platform where we introduce and display our products to the inner and the outer world. There are the opportunities which many of the Indian companies have not unlocked as on date. And definitely to reach the top, we have all that west and have to remove the stones are the hurdles which are still there. And this is one of the platforms which is helping in that. Maybe this is not a international slogan, but at least in the, within the country, this is taking. The next year you are reading 5. Okay, alternate year. As now we have not decided for the participating in the 2 years from now. Of course, that depends on the market situation at that time and how the metal forming world explores further. But definitely, if the situation remains good, we'll like to participate. From the platform wise, we don't find any problem. Other will like to continue, but that situation 2 years in advance cannot be expected.